You have a bug? It's a bug.
The butter is like that. Yeah.
What is that?
The butter is there.
It's a bug.
The butter.
He's so cute. Hey, what are you doing?
The butter.
It's a bug. There you go. Put him on the ground. What are you doing?
The butter.
Put him down. There you go.
The butter.
Oh, I can't record them when you're looking at it. What are you doing? Oh! Did he tickle you? Did he tickle you? He's gonna get mommy. He's gonna get mommy. Oh no! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! He's gonna go under the dresser. Uh-oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mr. Bug. Where'd he go?
The butter.
Where'd he go?
The butter.
Yeah. Look, he's over here. He's over here. Look, he's over here. Oh, now he's gone.
The butter.
Where did he go?
The butter.
Can you see him?
The butter. The butter.
Where'd he go?
The butter.
Really?
The eel.
To you.
I eat the goat.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Bug.
The butter.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bug.
The butter. The butter. The butter.
The butter.
A butter go. Go.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Go bye-bye? Is he lost under the dresser?
A butter.
Dresser. Yeah, he's under the dresser.
It's the butter.
Okay.